Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to clean the Hamster Kombat daily cipher. Today is 2nd August 2024 and the Morse code for today is shards. SHARDS, shards. You go to daily cipher here, click on it. When the interface changes, you get the first letter, which is S. To get this S, you do 3 dots. Remember that dot is one tap and dash is just long press. So to get this S, you do 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. And to get the H, you do 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. To get the A, you do 1 dot and 1 dash. Dot, dash. Then to get the R, you do dot, dash, dot. Dot, dash, dot. For the D, you do dash, dot, dot. That's 1 dash and 2 dots. Dash, 1, 2. For the S, which is the last letter, you also repeat the same thing which you did in the first letter. 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. And click on take the prize here. That's it for today's video, guys. Remember to claim your daily cipher and daily combo and also play the mini game. I'll be releasing a video on how to play the Hamster Kombat mini game for today. Please like, subscribe and turn on bell notification. Thanks for watching.